Hi guys, welcome to this channel. I'm Adrian. Today we'll be exploring the beauty in Rochester Cathedral. Rochester Cathedral, formerly known as the Cathedral Church of Christ and Blessed Virgin Mary, is in Rochester, Kent, England. Now we'll be looking at the architectural design of this cathedral inside of it. Now the architecture, the design reflects a mix of style due to its long history, with the main elements being Romanesque, that is Norman, and Gothic. Now Romanesque or Norman style dominates the early part of the cathedral, particularly from the period following its construction after the 1080s. The walls you are seeing is a prime example of Norman architecture, featuring massive rounded arcs and intricate stone carving, including prominent Great West Door. The crypt of Rochester Cathedral is one of the most remarkable and historical significant features. Dating back to 12th century, it is one of the finest surviving examples of Romanesque architecture in England, offering a glimpse into early medieval period of construction. Type of Romanesque style. The crypt features simple, rounded arches supported by thick pillars, creating a sturdy and solemn architecture. These pillars are broad and robust, bearing the weight of the cathedral above, a key feature of Norman architecture. The crypt has low barrel vaulted ceiling, which give it an intimate and enclosed feel, contrasting with the soaring height of the cathedral above. The stone in the crypt is largely unadorned, focusing more on function than on decoration. But the simplicity of the design adds to its austere beauty. Historically and the religious importance. The crypt predates much of current structure, and its preservation makes it a significant piece of Norman architecture. Throughout history, the crypt has served as a place of worship and prayer. It may also have been used to house important relics or treasures in the early days. In modern times, the crypt has been used as a space for art exhibition, creating a contrast between ancient stonework and contemporary art. The crypt's atmospheric and ancient design, coupled with its historical importance, makes it a key highlight for visitors to Rochester Cathedral. look at this library and describe it. The library is one of the cathedral's most valuable treasures, containing a rich collection of rare and ancient texts, manuscripts, and documents that reflect its long history as a center of learning and religious scholarship. Known as the chapter library, it holds material dating from the early medieval period to modern. Now let's look at key features of this great library. The library's most famous manuscript is the Textus Rufensis, an early 12th century document that contains both ecclesiastical and legal texts. It is one of the earliest surviving records of English law and is considered a priceless artifact of Anglo-Saxons and early Norman England. The collection includes a wide variety of medieval manuscripts, many dating back to 11th and 12th century. These include religious texts, theological works, and historical chronicles, reflecting Rochester Cathedral's role as an intellectual and spiritual hub. In addition to manuscripts, the library contains early printed books, including works from the Renaissance period and books related to church governance, philosophy, and the science. The library also houses many of the cathedral's administrative records, some of which dates back to medieval period. These documents provide insight into the